We're starting with an overlook at all of our manufacturing facilities around the world. Here we can quickly see our global average efficiency, along with other globe-based production KPIs. Imagine, for example, that we are an operations manager of a multi-site organization with facilities all around the world, and that we would like to know what's going on with all of our plants in real time. If we want to look at a specific site's attributes, we can click on that site in fabLive. Then the dashboard objects automatically change to provide information about that selected site. It's all about visibility. With Critical Manufacturing MES fabLive, we can show virtually anything and create the digital twin, which is a digital mirror of your shop floor, with real-time contextualized information. Out of the box, Critical Manufacturing MES provides widgets and dashboards for process, resource, and quality performance. It provides you with endless possibilities where your creativity is the limit. We can link different real scenarios and explore the power of the system. As we drill into the newly selected site, we can now see a depiction of the factory floor in the fabLive widget. We can pan, zoom, and rotate around the factory floor digital twin. Our attention is quickly drawn to any equipment that's experiencing a downtime state in real time by the red coloring. Here, equipment in active production are colored green, and those on standby are colored yellow. But you can use the color scheme of your own choice for your facilities. This representation is possible due to the use of Critical Manufacturing Connect IoT, where virtually any equipment can be integrated with the MES. We can change to additional views by clicking on the tabs at the top of the KPI area, like the Performance tab. Here we see the overall efficiency of the entire site. And when we click on different pieces of equipment in the fabLive widget, the Performance KPIs update to show efficiency metrics for the selected equipment. We can also click on the Equipment tab. This tab shows how much uptime and downtime has been experienced by the selected asset, along with its mean time between failures and mean time till repair. Additionally, there's a Pareto chart with the most common downtime reasons.